वो तो सारा करवा दिया, वो सारा रिवाइज कर लिया। Then the BR tag, the HTML BR tag element create a line break, giving you a new line without starting a new paragraph. Use BR when you want to move the next line without beginning a whole line. I think you understand means when you create a line break and you jump to a new line, use BR tag. Yeah, and that's the syntax. Opening tag BR, closing tag. Only that is the comment on the BR tag. Paragraph like you wrote a paragraph. This paragraph has multiple use of BR tag. You write lines but HTML reduce, then use BR tag to a single line. Then it breaks like if it does not break, he's writing in a single line, but he breaks, so he write in four different lines, right? And then there's some rules of the horizontal rules. HR tag. The HTML HR tag used to create a horizontal rule or line visually separating content on a page. Use HR tag when you want to insert horizontal line to signify a division between section or element, providing a clear visual break in the page. Like if you write in a horizontal line and you does not want to break a line, use horizontal line like HR tag. If you insert horizontal line to a division between section or element, then you can use HR tag like you can see in the syntax. Here we go. H1 heading tag. Welcome to my website. Closing tag, then paragraph tag, and then closing paragraph tag. Then you use to HR tag, then paragraph tag. Then you can see output in output. Welcome to website. Then your horizontal line. Then break and the same line goes to the line, right? Then you go to align attribute. Align attribute, the paragraph tag specifically support the alignment attribute and allows us to align our paragraph in left, right, or center element. The paragraph align value. Note that align value is deprecated in HTML5 and style should be used via CSS format. There, most of these align attribute are used in CSS, but that the new HTML that is deprecated. Then the example like P aligns center welcome geeks, then closing para, and then also then new P aligned P align left, then the paragraph you wrote, and then closing them. Then you can see, and then you can see output here. Here you can see then you wrote this and then avoiding common mistake with paragraph like avoid nested paragraph. You cannot nested paragraph with one another. Each paragraph tag should contain only the text or one block of content. And second, avoid using paragraph for non-textual content. When the paragraph tag is meant for the text-based content, if you need to wrap images, table, and other elements, means you cannot nest in paragraph with one another. You cannot mix with that. Then in your paragraph tag, and where this text-based content, if you need to wrap up, it does not like involve like images and table like they're the systematically manner. Here we go and we get it, and then new comes tomorrow. Okay, then this is the series for the web development of the series. All right. Okay then.